Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is all about savings, looking for promotions, discount, and on and off I'll do like an unbox or a repair, whether on my car or on my house, and sometimes I do installation as well. But in this video I want to bring it to you guys because regarding about solars and what our governor just signed off on. So I myself, I already have the solar installed back, I think in April or May of this year, and I really love solar things. So if you guys are in between whether should I do it or should I wait, I think I'm gonna go through with this email that I received from one of the CEO that I've reached out to talk regarding about getting solar installed. And it might change your mind, or it might give you a perspective whether you guys want to have your solar installed. Okay, so but for me, if you want my opinion, ask for my opinion whether you guys should get started with the solar. I suggest if you're financially stable and if you're looking for solar, I think this is the time to do it, and do it fast, because you don't want to wait. You want to be grandfathered into the NEM 2.0. Okay, so I'm going to read over what the email says. Hi, I'm the CEO of Pell Solar. I'm sending you this email because you have had interest in getting solar at one time. I'm just letting everyone know that California is going to be changing their net metering program to NEM 3.0. This will have a major effect if you purchase solar. NEM 3.0 is slashing the rates by 75%, which will not be beneficial for getting solar. The NEM 2.0 is only here till April 15th. If you would like to get a new estimate to get locked into the NEM 2.0, we need to get start the process ASAP. Here's some information below that you can read about the NEM 3.0. California pulls the plug on the rooftop solar. The Public Utilities Commission approved net energy metering 3.0, slashing payments for sending rooftop solar production to the grid. New rooftop solar projects are now considered uneconomical without an attached battery. The California Public Utility Commission unanimously voted to approve the net energy metering, slashing payment for excess solar production sent to the grid by 75%. Currently, average net metering rates ranges from 23 cents per kilowatt to 35 cents per kilowatt hours. And the new proposed decision cut those rates to an average of 0.05 cents per kilowatt to 0.08 kilowatts per hour. This is said to be the largest cut of export rates in U.S. history in a market that represents roughly 50% of the nation's residential solar market. And he provided the link where we can read more about the information too. So basically, if you wait until the new ones at net metering 3.0, you pretty much it's no use for you to send it to the grid, which is to the solar company, because they're going to give you like 5 to 8 cents. When now with the 2.0 1-to-1 ratio, which is good. So if you wait until afterwards, it's better off that you need to have battery storage where you can store it. So at the nighttime, instead of pulling back from the grid, where they charge you like a higher price, you're just gonna pull the energy from your batteries, which is good. So like I said, this video is more mainly for if you're on the edge about getting solar or not. I think this is the time. So by the way, I'm not sponsored by any of the solar company, anything like that. I'm just thinking that this video might be beneficial to those people that on the side or on the edge, should I do it? This is the time to do it, guys. And not only that, but EVs, if you plan to buy EVs, you want to have your own solar system to charge your vehicles. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I'll list the link in the description, so if you guys want to read more about it, you're more than welcome to do so. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.